everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing my monthly collage of the stuff of life. So I have gotten into the habit the last few months of just keeping some packaging and things that kind of we either consumed, bought, purchased, or ate at during the month. That way I can make a little bit of a collage that this too, like I've said in previous videos, tells a story about what we're doing in life. So even from the things that I've kept, you know, you can tell that I had gotten 2 perfumes, so I'll probably cut out just the packaging so that I remember when I bought them. I had went bra shopping. Vale got a new dolly, which is this one, and a Barbie that month too. These are new scrubs I purchased. She got a new hooded towel. So these are just fun things. Like I did a purchase at Bed Bath & Beyond. That's the receipt. I haven't done one in a while, so I got a lot of the wallflowers. So here are like the little tags from it. And like, don't get me wrong, this is not for everyone to kind of keep their trash. But for me, like I said, I either put this in my project life too to tell the story, or I have been doing these collages, and I took her to Urban Air. So that's like a trampoline park. So I kept the bracelets there too. So yeah, like I said, just things that, you know, places we ate at. These are all just fun things that I, you know, like to keep. I don't have to say I don't like to keep. It's not like I'm hoarding it. I just think that these also are memories without having to elaborate further. You know, like if I cut her out, we know that she got this little Rapunzel doll this month. So it just kind of dates and times the things that are going on in life. And I feel like these things are worth remembering as well. So I'll put you on fast forward. I just kind of plunk it down. There's no rhyme or reason or true like layout going out. It's just kind of finding it and gluing it down. Finding a place where it goes and gluing it down. So let's put you on fast forward.
Okay, so let's start by cutting up some of this packaging. I had purchased a new perfume, well, actually 2, because this is a perfume box too. So I've been trying to get back into perfumes. I used to love perfumes before I became a mom, and then when I was pregnant, I was having an allergic reaction to them, and then when I had a baby always on me, I didn't want to wear it because in fear of like the toxins and the chemicals of her breathing it in. But I miss smelling lovely all the time. So I had gotten, I think it was a DKNY, one of the Apple ones. It smells delicious, like coconut. So it smells like suntan lotion. It's amazing. And then that Skylar one, which is one of those non-toxic perfume subscription services too that I'm a part of. They are a monthly subscription for $20, and I have a few now, and they're amazing. They don't last as long when they're non-toxic and chemicals. You have to reapply, but I guess it's good that they're roller bowls. So other things on this layout, let's see. So she got a new Barbie. I think the Barbie is a story I told about going thrifting. I found a new Barbie at the thrift store. So it was really inexpensive, so she can get that. And going to Urban Air, which is a trampoline park here in Florida. I started wearing scrubs again at work. If you don't know, I'm a chiropractor, and sometimes scrub days are necessary when you're running late in the morning. Always eating Chipotle or Bolé are normal staples in my house. And then this packaging from the Rapunzel doll. She got like one of those little like smaller dolls, almost like the American dolls, but they're Disney versions. I don't know, but she loves it, and I think she has a few now. She's like Elsa, and an Ariel one now. She has Rapunzel, and yeah. So the rest of the month I think was pretty standard with some of the things. And what else did I eat at? I know there were some other receipts like ice cream shops, and I did an order to the Happy Planner, which is this big sticker that they send in for free with their orders. Oh, I went bra shopping, dude. Bra shopping. Okay, I found this one from Vanity Fair at Kohl's, but I since have gone to Soma. If you haven't been to Soma, go to Soma. I've been wearing the wrong bra size pretty much my whole life, and now I'm obsessed with Soma. So actually, I'll leave a coupon code down below because you get $15 off, and I get $15 off. Bra shopping is the worst.
Okay, so that will finish up this collage for the month of September. This side kind of got really chunky with the business cards and the like really thick cardstock that was used for the clothing tags. And I tried my best to leave the arc system free, only because my last few of them that I have blocked it and then have gone in to punch the holes, it is really hard to turn those pages. So I just made myself aware of not to cover those too much to make it easier to flip through. And yeah, like I said, when I flip to these do tell a story as well. So I encourage you to start collecting some memorabilia from your month, receipts, packaging, like I said, things that you've bought that were new or that your children are consuming or that you enjoyed, and let them just be a story on their own as a collage like this on your monthly spread. And then this is going straight into my happy planner. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe if you've enjoyed this video and hit that thumbs up button so that my channel knows what videos you like that I film for you. Thank you so much for the support. Until next time, bye.